My honest review of the Bengoo 9000 from Carclay. So first off, this is a great headset. For like the pricing, it's pretty well made. Actually has like noise cancellation. It actually does when you place it over like your head. Comes with this nice like padding as well. When the head's like cushion, doesn't really like makes you like feel uncomfortable when you're like gaming for hours. Microphone, however, is a bit smaller. It doesn't actually like comes around fully like to like where your mouth is when you're speaking, but it's pretty alright. Like I like that it's like out of sight, and my friends still can hear me pretty clearly. The card, it's pretty long, not bad. Prefer the card to be long. For example, when like you're gaming from a while away from your like your console. But the only downside that I have to this is like the part right here where it splits in a V for the USB port, and also for the jack plug where you plug into like your console, or you can also go into like your device and such. But yeah, this is the only downside I have to it. Like, I don't know why they made it like this. Like, they have all the space for this. Like, I had to actually wrap it up because it's that tall. They had all that space, but they made it this short. I'm not sure why. But yeah, like the port, like once you plug in this, then yeah, it will light up on the side right here where you're seeing those blue stripes. It lights up blue. Depending upon the color that you get, it will light up that color. But yeah, it's a big inconvenience as the lights is a big hit on this. It makes it look really good and aesthetic, especially when you're playing like late in the night. But it's not really that big of an issue. If you could get like an external like port that you could like plug it into while you're gaming, then I guess that works. But however, yeah, it's a very good product. Yeah, it also comes with this like this scroll wheel right here to like adjust the volume. You also have this switch to like turn the microphone on and off. So like for, let's say, like PS5 gamers, you don't really have to press the button on like your console here to turn off the microphone. You can just keep that on and just turn it on and off from here. So I like that. It's an easy switch of flip of the switch, and also the mouse speed to just turn the volume up and down. So yeah, it's a really good headset for the price. For the pricing, came in very good packaging. I've had this for maybe a month or two now, and it still holds up fairly well. So definitely a good headset that I would recommend. And yeah, that's the end of my review.
So I got these today. Packaging was pretty much dented and dinged up, which it could be shipping. Oh, it came and said there wasn't any like packing or anything in the box. Like, it was just kind of loose in the box, which it could cause damage in transport simply because of that. Also, they advertise that it's compatible with the PS4 and the PS5, and I don't know about everybody else or how important the lights on the side were. I thought the lights were really cool and I wanted to use them. But in order to do that, they tell you need USB. But what they don't tell you is that the cord for the USB is about 8 inches long. So if you're using a PS4 or a gaming system, you're SOL on the lights. And the sound quality is really low. It's pretty much like I'm just watching TV, but it's coming out of the headphones. Super loose on your head. So, like, if you're like one of those gamers that lean side to side and you get really into games, this is not for you.
Whoa, you. Why don't you just take it, then you can give us the rest of the spat?
I'm afraid it needs to be straight to the tap. And I don't just need your blood, I need you. You see,